If a mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically, why can't you mathematize mathematics mathematically like a mathematician? This is Elimu TV show, and on today's program we want to look at indices. Stay tuned. Let us try to solve this equation. So we have 32 raised to power x minus 3. You divide by 8 raised to power x minus 4 equals 64. Divide by 2 power x. So the first step, we have to make sure that everything is expressed into the same base. We are going to start with 32. 32, we can express it into base 2. So this one is the same as 2. This one is the same as 2 raised to power 5 into bracket x minus 3. You close the bracket. Divide by 8 is the same as 2 power 3 into bracket x minus 4. You close the bracket. Equal 64 is 2 power 6. You divide it by 2 power x. That's the first step. We have already expressed everything into a similar base. Second step, we are going to make sure that we open the bracket where possible. If you look at base 2, it has 5 into bracket x minus 3. This one is the same as 2 power 5x minus 15. You divide it by 2 power 3 x minus 12 is equal to 2 power 6. You divide it by 2 power x. We have already opened the bracket. Let us go to step number 3. In step number 3, let us first try to solve whatever is on the right hand side. This is how we are going to solve it. Since we have division, it means that the powers are going to be subtracted. And this is what we are going to do. We are going to take one base, which is 2, then the rest of the powers we subtract. We are going to have 5x minus 15 minus 3x minus 12. So remember, we can close this into bracket, which should give us this one. Also, we are going to take one base, which will be 2 raised to power 6 minus x. That becomes our third step. Our fourth step, we are going to make sure that we open the bracket. And this is what we are going to do. We are going to take base 2 into raised to power 5x minus 15. If you open the bracket here, you have to understand that we have got a certain one here, which will be minus 3x. Then if you multiply negative times negative, which will give you positive 12, should give us 2 raised to power 6 minus x. Look at this equation. We have the right side, the right hand side, we have base 2. The left hand side, we also have base 2. Let us solve the power. So for the power, we are going to collect the like terms. And this is what we are going to do. I'm sure that you are following up. So we are going to have 5x minus 3x minus 15 plus 12. We have collected the like terms. 5x minus 3x, this one gives us 2x, then minus 15 plus 12, this becomes minus 3. So we have already solved part of the power. So we are going to have 2 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 power 6 minus x. We can do away with the bases so that we remain with the powers. So our last step, we are going to have 2x minus 3 is equal to 6 minus x. From this point also we can collect the like terms, which we are going to have 2x. So since this one has got it has a negative sign, if it crosses this side it will be plus x, which is equal to 6 plus 3. The reason why I have added this is because we have minus 3. If it crosses the equal sign, the sign changes to be positive. So from this, we can add 2x plus x, which becomes 3x. 3x is equal to 6 plus 3, which is 9. From that, we make x the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by 3. So by 3 goes, so we are going to remain with x is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So our x is 3. These are very simple mathematics, and you have to understand that it's a math that normally comes in paper 1, and it's one of the maths which is normally being counted as a bonus. If you just follow simple procedure, you know the rule, the laws of indices, this maths will not give you any problem.